What's the latest diet trend this year that can help me lose weight? Does this sound familiar? Every year, new fad diets pop up with promises that drastically changing your diet can help you lose weight. But in reality, this type of quick fix weight loss doesn't last. How many of you have been on a diet? How many times have you failed? Let me know in the comments below. If you really want to go on a diet and drop the pounds for good, your best bet is to adopt healthy habits that you will be able to maintain over the long term. So, ask yourself these questions before settling on a new diet. Is this diet sustainable for me? Meaning, can you do it 7 days a week or forever? Is this diet overly restrictive? If you're going to feel deprived, well, trust me, it will be tough to stick to it because eventually, those cravings will take over. Will you be able to live your life while on it? That means, will you be able to have a social life and still enjoy meals out with your family and friends? Will you be adequately nourished? This is the most important question to ask yourself. If you're restricting and depriving your body of the nutrient it needs to function, it's going to do more harm than good. Just keep this in mind. The best diet is the one that doesn't feel like a diet. The plan incorporates all food groups, teaches you about portion sizes, and provides healthy cooking tips. In fact, the best diet is actually not a diet, but a lifestyle which you can sustain forever. So, after going through an endless list of diets, here are my top 3 best diets which have been scientifically proven to help you lose weight and maintain a healthy weight for life. I'll be sharing with you the food portions and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily life. A healthy balanced diet means eating a variety of foods from each major food group, from proteins and carbohydrates to fruits and vegetables. Even if you're in good health, you should still avoid highly processed foods and added sugars. So, a typical healthy balanced macro breakdown would be 50% carbs, 30% fat, and 20% protein. To keep it simple, your healthy plate should look like this: half vegetables, quarter protein, and quarter carbs. So aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables as they are a great source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. So aim to consume 2 to 3 servings of vegetables in each meal. Here's what a serving of vegetables looks like. 1 cup of raw leafy greens such as spinach or lettuce. Half a cup of chunky vegetables such as broccoli florets, bell peppers, and carrots. Or half a cup of vegetable juice. You can also add a piece of fruit to your meal or simply have it as a snack. As for protein, choose high-quality proteins such as chicken breast, fish, meat, tempeh, tofu, beans, and legumes. So the general recommendation is about 0.8 grams of protein per kilo of your body weight. But if you lead an active lifestyle, then consume between 1.2 to 1.7 grams of protein per kilo of your body weight. For example, if you weigh 54 kilos and you consume about 1.5 grams of protein per kilo of your body weight, that means you should be consuming about 81 grams of protein in a day. So how you can achieve that is to consume 2 eggs for breakfast, 1 portion of salmon for lunch, half a cup of Greek yogurt as your snack, and 1 portion of white fish for dinner. This gives you a total of 81 grams of protein. So protein is extremely important to repair and build muscle tissue, transport and store nutrients, and coordinate bodily functions. As for carbohydrates, choose healthy complex carbs such as rice, quinoa, oats, buckwheat noodles, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, whole grain pasta, or wholemeal bread. The main function of carbohydrate is to provide your body with energy. For example, if you consume 1,800 calories a day and 50% of that is carbs, that means your daily carb intake is about 225 grams. And how you can simply achieve that is to consume 2 slices of bread for breakfast, 1 small bowl of rice for lunch, 1 small bowl of rice for dinner, a banana as your snack, a medium-baked sweet potato, and not forgetting your 5 servings of vegetables. That gives you a total of 220 grams of carbs in a day. And as for healthy fats, you can easily integrate them into your diet by using olive oil in your cooking and consuming oily fish, peanut butter, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats keep the heart healthy, protect your organs, and support cell growth and provide energy. So here's what one serving of healthy fats look like. 1 tablespoon of oil or butter, 1 ounce of nuts, half an avocado, and fats from 4 ounces of salmon fillet. Now remember to consume them in small quantities as they are calorie dense. So this is a general guideline for the healthy balanced diet. The goal here is to consume a wide variety of foods in moderation by keeping to your daily calorie needs and macros. And of course, you can still enjoy your occasional treats of processed foods and desserts, but keep them in small quantities. Remember, the key here is balance and moderation. This next diet has been voted as the best diet year after year. It is the Mediterranean diet. So what's the Mediterranean diet and why is it so popular and effective for weight loss? The Mediterranean diet incorporates the traditional healthy living habits of people from the Mediterranean region. So this diet is essentially low in carbs, low in saturated fats, and high in unsaturated fats. It puts a higher focus on plant foods and cooking using healthy fats such as olive oil with plenty of flavorful spices. So following this diet can improve healthy cholesterol levels and keep blood sugar levels in a healthy range. Now remember, there's no one right method to follow the Mediterranean diet, but here are some basic rules you can start with. Consume a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts, herbs, spices, and unsaturated fats such as olive oil daily. Consume fish and other seafood twice weekly. Consume a moderate portion of poultry, eggs, cheese, yogurt, as well as red wine. And only occasionally consume red meat and sweets. So a general portion breakdown for this diet will consist of 50% carbs, 35 to 40% fats, and 15 to 20% protein. So people following this diet would either limit or avoid their consumption of refined grains, refined oil, added sugars, sugar-sweetened beverages, processed meats, and other highly processed foods. The Mediterranean diet believes that whole single ingredient foods are often crucial to good health. Therefore, to start building your own Mediterranean diet recipes, you'll want to stock up on whole grains such as whole oats, brown rice, rye bread, barley, buckwheat, and whole grain pasta. Tubers such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, and yams. Vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, onions, broccoli, carrots, and cucumber. Fruits such as tomatoes, apples, bananas, nectarines, strawberries, dragon fruit, and dates. Nuts and seeds, which includes almonds, cashews, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Legumes, which includes beans, lentils, peas, pulses, and chickpeas. Seafood, such as salmon, mackerel, whitefish, shrimp, and shellfish. Poultry, such as chicken and eggs. Healthy fats, such as olives, olive oil, and avocados. Dairy, such as Greek yogurt, milk, and cheese. And finally, herbs and spices. So the Mediterranean way of eating is generally rich in healthy plant foods and relatively low in animal products and meats, with a focus on fish and seafood. So following this diet long-term can improve your weight and prevent certain health issues such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. And the final best diet for weight management is the low-carb diet. This diet limits your carb intake, which encourages your body to use more fat as fuel. If you know that you have a higher sensitivity towards carbs and your body has a higher resistance to insulin, then the low-carb diet may work well for you. Insulin is the hormone responsible for controlling your blood sugar levels. So a high level of insulin resistance means that your blood sugar levels are likely to spike after consuming carbs, especially refined carbs. So, some of the common signs of carb sensitivity include intense craving for refined carbs, struggling with always feeling hungry, which can lead to overeating, energy level dips after an hour of consuming carbs, you tend to gain weight easily, and you experience carb withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, irritability, mood swings, and anxiety. Carb sensitivity is a real thing, and it just might be the reason why weight loss can be challenging for you. Now, if you fall under this category, it doesn't mean that you cannot consume carbs at all, but you need to choose the good carbs and limit your portion. Your goal is to choose non-starchy, colorful vegetables, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats. Let's first understand what are carbs. Carbs are an essential part of a healthy diet. However, it is very important to know that not all carbs are created equal. So how then do we differentiate between good carbs and bad carbs? Good carbs are complex carbs which are unprocessed and contain fiber found naturally in food. So these examples include quinoa, oats, buckwheat noodle, brown rice, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and beans. They are loaded with nutrients and fiber and provide sustained energy. On the other hand, bad carbs are refined carbs which have been processed and had the natural fiber removed or changed. Examples include cereal, cakes, pastries, biscuits, pizza, sodas, and added sugars. They are usually lacking in nutrients, hence they are referred to as empty calories. So our bodies process refined carbs quickly, and they do not provide lasting energy, and this can cause a spike in blood sugar levels. And the goal here is to reduce or avoid all refined carbs in your diet. So a low-carb diet macro breakdown would be 15 to 25% carbs, 40 to 50% protein, and 25 to 30% fat. You want to limit your carb intake to about 100 to 150 grams per day. And the key here is to limit starchy carbs and aim to consume more non-starchy carbs. So aim to consume only about 2 to 3 servings of starchy carbs in a day. So for example, half a cup of oats for breakfast, 1 small bowl of cooked brown rice for lunch, and around 150 grams of sweet potatoes for dinner. On the other hand, you can increase your protein portion to 2 servings in each meal. So for example, you can have cheesy tuna omelette for breakfast, 2 portions of chicken breast for lunch, 2 servings of fish for dinner, and 1 cup of Greek yogurt topped with nuts and seeds as your snack. So having a high protein diet will keep you full for longer, stabilize your blood sugar levels, and reduce cravings. As for healthy fats, again, you can easily integrate them into your diet by using olive oil in your cooking and consuming oily fish, peanut butter, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats keep the heart healthy, protect your organs, support cell growth, and provide energy. So when you are carb sensitive, consuming carb-rich foods has a greater impact on your overall well-being than merely reducing your caloric intake. Therefore, you need to pay more attention to the types of carbs you consume. Just know that diets aren't just for weight loss. While changing your diet can be one of the best ways to lose weight, it can also be a gateway to improving your habits, focusing on your health, and leading a more active lifestyle. Although the 3 diets have been shown to be effective for weight loss, the diet you choose should depend on your lifestyle and food preferences. This will ensure that you are more likely to stick to it in the long term. Now remember, this is just a guideline for you to understand each diet. Before starting any new kind of diet, it is always a good idea to talk with your doctor about your personal health history. They can always help you decide which plan would work best for you. So let me know which is your preferred diet in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it on with your friends as well, okay? And what other topics would you like to learn more of? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it. Go onto my channel to learn more about healthy food, recipes, as well as check out a lot more workout videos and mindset tips. And I will see you next time. All the best!